You see, you were constantly looking for something, this thing it is pleasure, emotion, notion of pleasure, but who really need it, in itself. Always a pleasure looking for any accumulated suffering in an environment of life which is unique. To you that there is a lack of constant search for self. The real me inside, we really never arises the question why we suffer all the time or almost. Whoever fears suffering, is already suffering from what he fears. Montaigne's consciousness. It is looking for a certain evolution, peace, and conditional love of the environment. Do not listen to his conscience. Distraction of the company never makes us ask ourselves this important question. Then the consciousness that seeks this change in the unconscious because it is not consciously envisaged for the moment is frustrated to not have an answer, constantly be forgotten. So she is looking for a way to meet creation of the ego, accumulation of frustration and also suffering, not to be recognized as someone important in the creation in life, not to be ourselves, to be someone who does not have his own identity itself, no soul, so to speak, not having to share values as our goal of life is not death, it is no death. Life is only a constant rebirth. Understand, in a forest, there are also live trees and dead trees, but these trees are not dead. Look at the leaves. Look at her body. There are insects, molecules that transform the shape thought of the tree. In any case, death is a form of transformation. There is life in death. Somewhere a rebirth of life. Death does not exist, it is a lie. Well, patriarchal Christian religions, Islam and Judaism. But unlike us trees and flowers, nature, the living creation do not ask what the role is. They do not look, they do not question, because the role was well defined by itself. From birth before death. Which is why it's all in the upbringing of children back to us, but also need to know that this being which we seek a role in the creation requires attention, sweetness and love because of ego frustration, as it will be difficult to find. It will steal them. This is what we do every day, experience to others. We experience the other as we ourselves suffer. Then the ego, which is all this suffering, frustration, not be able to have something like love, compassion, etc., will look again and again that certain balance between inside and outside. But if we do not take conscious today, we go to the human catastrophe. The fact that the ego has fed over the years left to other generations a higher degree of ego which continues to evolve in us, because we do not stop. So today is a crucial time in our evolution at all. Either we stop this monster in us, forgiving it represents our suffering not externalized, a certain form of subconscious formed. We will be well entitled to our loss, a spark plug-in, which forced to be powered by gasoline suffering, will eventually kill us inside in great pain if you do not mind. But there is a solution. In this solution, we must understand that the ego fault for not having a certain pleasure in the performance itself, in the present moment, is projected into the future to search for others. But what happens? The future has become present and redraws the same pattern, this great cycle of non-fulfillment. But in this scheme, if we enter a new time, value is called the present, and quite simply, we refuse to go inside into the future in search of pleasure or emotion. Understand, if the cycle of ego finally cut, then the research itself may begin in some way. But what to do really? Simply to be present in itself. To be here right now in what you do, in daily actions. Integrate this valuable time, which will save this, I'm sure, physical world. He rises from his bed in a world of the self. I get up from my bed. But okay, we are willing to do this thing in itself, but what it gives us more understand that the ego is like a cloud that hides the sun constantly, this divine light. Understand also within the same scheme. The ego is a form of suffering that blights our way of seeing things for each day. We are busy feeding. We must also understand that the human being is great as nature itself. Why, like everything, it is also in the creation. He participated in all of this internally. Is the creation of man. Man is God, as the flower which is present to itself in the moment. The present man must be here and now in this life, in the creation, to realize its true role, purpose of life, contribution, as well as the flower, a tree, a rock to the creation of life. This role is to give, to live and to be living here now in the present, in reality. Being present show the true consciousness that we must have. Life is to make a contribution to life. Being someone, being useful, helpful. Yes, I already see you come. You realize that all your life you have tried to become something useful, to contribute to something. But in the workplace, in the family, in whatever you were doing before was not satisfied. Understand that the ego is here because you unconsciously refuse to see your useful life. This message just to understand. Now that you are putting in place, you will get into the consciousness of being alive. But the message must be understood by all and all. Each of us contributes to the development of Earth. Yet, send, run, talk, shout, please, teach, provide, disclose, drive safely this message to all human beings, and change our world. It is time. The essence of this teaching is not in words but in itself.